Today, we are introducing our investment platform by weVLC. So what is this platform for? Over the last 5 years, we invested more than 25 million euros in this market with the help of investors like you. The first thing we detected is that investment opportunities are very difficult to find. And now we want to make this more complex process much easier than ever. So the first thing that this platform has are curated investment opportunities that are completely off-market, found by our team, network and resources, and planned completely with our construction, decoration and renovation team, so there are no surprises for you in the journey when you decide to buy the first asset. Documentation, paperwork and complex steps can be a nightmare. In this platform you will always access to all of them, from the beginning to the renovation, decoration and even through the whole rental performance. You will access to your contracts, documents and everything you need. You will have access to very useful materials from tax guides, market reports and even community events, so you can meet other like-minded investors from our community. All of this in just one place. We built this specifically for you. It takes us many years of learnings and many months of working on it, and today is your lucky day if you want to be part of our journey and you want to be in this investment platform. We're going to be opening a couple of spots to participate. In order to be part of it, reach out to us or click in the link so you can request access and we can have a conversation with you. We would love to work together.